Hello, dear students. Welcome back. Today we will read the story of Dalia Saves the Village. Let's enjoy reading the story. Before we start, let's see the following picture dictionary. Wheat, wheat. Crop, crop. Irrigation canal, irrigation canal. Irrigation. Wheat flour, wheat flour. Maize, maize. Now we'll have the words with their meanings. Village, village. It's a group of houses and associated buildings. Irrigation. It is the supply of water, the land or crops to help growth. Social media. Applications that enable users to create and share content. Main square. A square meant for trading in which a market is held. Plan. An intention or decision about what one is going to do. Awesome. Extremely well or excellently. Agriculture. The science of farming. Dalia lives in a village in Egypt. One evening, she's doing her homework on her computer. She's doing research about crops in Egypt, like wheat, maize, and rice, and it is very interesting. Wheat is an important crop in our country, and we use it to make bread. Dalia looks at the pictures of delicious Egyptian bread. Dalia likes baladi bread best. Which is your favorite? Dalia's mom, Gamila, is speaking to Dalia's dad, Walid, who looks sad. The crops are not growing well in the village. There is a problem with the water and we have no irrigation, says Gamila to Dalia. We need to help everyone in the village with their crops. Dalia's brother, Tariq, says. But what can we do? Dalia says. It's very simple. Let's call everyone in the village on social media. We need to help our village. Dalia's family gets water from the Nile, but the irrigation canal is not working. She tells everyone in the village about this problem on social media, then meets everyone in the main square. A lot of villagers say they can help. The next day, everyone gets together in the center of the village. Some people come on foot and some by bike. Some people come by boat or by car from another village to help. Everyone is very excited to help with the problem. They meet at Dalia's grandparents' house. Dalia's grandma gives them tea and cookies. Dalia and her family go to see the problem. The irrigation canal that brings the water is blocked with trash, plastic bottles, and household things. There are also some plants in the water. Tarek says, we need to start work and clean the water. The water is not very deep and they start to clear the trash. They fill 20 trash bags with the trash. Now the water isn't polluted. The water comes back to the village and the crops grow again. Everyone is very happy. They can grow food on their land and they can sell their fruit and vegetables to buy other things. Their lives become easier, but some of the crops are not very good. Dalia has a plan. She thinks the villagers can produce more food. She says they should try wheat. She tells them about her research. She says wheat grows very well in Egypt and is great for making delicious bread and cakes. Some villagers like the idea. They start to grow wheat in some of their fields. From the wheat, they can make flour. From the flour, they can make delicious Egyptian bread. Grandma can make more of her awesome cookies. The villagers make bread and cookies to sell to other villages. In a few years, everything is better in the village. Dalia walks around the village and sees the changes. She is very proud. When she grows up, she works with agriculture to help other people with their crops. Now, dear students, we're going to do the exercises and activities about the story. Now, look and write. Let's read the names and the words in the box. Jamila, Dalia, Grandma, Tariq, Walid, Grandpa. Picture number 1, Dalia. Picture number 2, Dalia's brother, Tariq. Picture number 3, Walid, Dalia's dad. Picture number 4, Dalia's grandpa. Picture number 5, Jamila, Dalia's mom. And picture number 6, Dalia's grandma. Exercise number 2, read and write T for true or F for false. 1. Dalia is still at school. True. 2. Tariq is Dalia's cousin. False. 3. Walid is Dalia's dad. True. 4. Dalia's grandma makes delicious cookies. True. 5. Tariq helps the village with a problem. True. 6. Dalia is a helpful girl. True. Vocabulary. Exercise number 3. Complete the crossword with the words in the sentences. Number 1. We use flour to make bread. Number 2. Dalia says the villagers should plant wheat. 3. Grandma makes awesome cookies. 4. The irrigation canal in Dalia's village was blocked with trash. 5. The irrigation canal was blocked with trash. 6. Dalia contacted family and friends on her computer. 7. Dalia and her family live in a village in Egypt. 8. Grandma gives everyone tea and cookies. Events in the story. Look at the pictures and put them in order. Picture number 1, E. Picture number 2, B. Picture number 3, D. Picture number 4, C. Picture number 5, F. Picture number 6, A. Exercise 5. Read and match. Dalia does research on her computer. 2. Jamila talks about the problem with her husband. 3. The villagers see Dalia's message on social media. 4. Tariq cleans the canal with others. Exercise 6. Read and complete. Let's read the words in the box. Trash, irrigation, canal, household, plan, agriculture, awesome. Number 1. The canal brings the water to the villages. 2. Mom went to the market to buy cups, plates, and other household things. 3. Amir had a great plan for how to make his team win. 4. People drop trash into the river and it becomes polluted. The plants and the animals die. 5. Mom's cake is awesome. It tastes so good. 6. Mr. Fawzi likes to study all about plants and crops. He likes agriculture. 7. Problems in water can cause irrigation problems. Exercise 8. Dalia had a problem to solve. What was it? How did she solve it? Look and complete. What was the village's problem? The crops are not growing well in the village, and there is a problem with the water, and there is no irrigation. What was Dalia's solution? Dalia told everyone in the village to help the people clean the irrigation canal. What was the process? To clean the irrigation canal, to start to grow wheat in some fields, to make Egyptian bread and cookies. What was the final conclusion? Why was Dalia's homework research important to the process? In a few years, everything is better in the village because Dalia had great ideas to solve the problems in her village. Dear students, please like, share, and subscribe.